Hey guys, I'm Wanda and it's crazy days time. It really is crazy around here. We've had some cold weather, like in the low 40s, high 30s, but not freezing down into the 20s. Then we've had some warm days. I'm in short sleep. Go figure. So we've been out to the greenhouse this morning and I've already done some work and I'm going to show you what I did. But guys, we're expecting down into the 20s for like 2 to 3 days in a row. That is not good on us because we have a lot of things going, but so far the potatoes aren't up yet, so that's good. We don't have to worry about that. The beans aren't up yet. We planted English peas the first of the week, potatoes the day before. But let me show you what I'm doing. In the greenhouse, in my queen dome, I went ahead and picked the English peas. Danny helped me this morning, and we got this bucket right here, which is about I think a 2-gallon bucket. It was almost full. So I've got to go in and shell all these. I was just washing the mildew off of them right quick. And I'm loving this back porch patio setup here. Now, not only do I have to shell all these and get them in the freezer, this is the third picking, and we have put up 2 gallons of these so far, eat out of them numerous times, and I'm saying my queen dome is a success with English peas. Now we have English peas in the ground. We'll see how they do over the next couple of months. But my crazy day just got crazier. This carrot bed is crazy, guys. Believe me, we've done put up, I think it was 60 jars of carrots out of here, pint jars. I gave Danny's daughter Jennifer enough to put up probably 9 more pints. My daughter Maggie took some home. We have eaten out of these for over 2 months, and Danny has eaten all kinds of stuffed carrots. Out of this 16-foot bed, we still have some left sporadically, and you can see they're mainly smaller carrots. We've taken up most of the big carrots. You'll still find a big carrot every now and then, but with the freezes coming, I got to clean this bed. This is our other 16-foot bed. We have not taken any out of this one except a few to eat sporadically in here. Guys, I got to get this bed done maybe today and tomorrow. We're going to take all these out before the freeze. So crazy days just got crazier. It's going to be carrots times who knows how many before we get through in the next couple of days. I have finished this bed, and I want y'all to look. It didn't look like there was many carrots in there. Some of them are little, but some of them are really good size. And I want you to look at all these carrots all the way down. Yeah, this is probably maybe close to 2 more canners of carrots here. And you see the bed in the background? I ain't even started yet. So the chickens will get the extremely little ones, and then I'll clear up all the good size ones, because you see there's some really good carrots in there. And we're going to see how many more carrots came out of this bed on top of the ones we've already put up. What are you doing, Daniel? While I'm pulling carrots.
Making good old Deep South homestead dirt. People wonder where our dirt comes from.
Look how black.
This is the old rotted trash piles where we cut our brush and push up stumps and stuff. Of course, there's roots and all in it, but we have to go through and get all that out. But this is what we end up with, is this good dirt. It's got some little pieces of wood in it. We throw, a lot of it rots like that. We just leave it in there. We throw the scrap right here on the ground. All this goes back in the bucket and goes back to another trash pile to continue rotting.
But look how dark. That's some good Deep South dirt. People think we live in a sand pit. I'm sorry.
No, this is organic material. We take it in here.
We do have a cart you could be rolling.
Yeah, but I'm just right at the door.
And you see that?
This is what we do. We mix it in with our other pots. This puts our good microbes back into the soil that we need.
Because we got some plants coming, don't we?
Yep, we got a bunch of plants coming, and we want to make sure we get this stuff really in tip-top shape. Now we'll take a shovel in a minute, turn all this back in with that other dirt, and mix it all up.
But Daniel, look. with the freeze coming, how many of these do I need to take? I know this one. Look at
Well,
this. Isn't that beautiful?
Look at that. That is
There's nothing. No cabbage worms, no bugs. This is awesome.
beauty
And
of a high tunnel.
I took a few leaves the other day and made some cabbage rolls, and how'd you like them?
I love those cabbage rolls. That was the best I have ever had. As
How
long
many-
as we close the sides down on the north side.
Well, I want this one in. I do want you to get
we'll
that
close
one.
the north side down. I don't think we'll have to worry about anything.
That one's kind of small.
That one's just starting.
That one's just starting. This one is small. And this one's small. So we'll let them go, but that
That goes in the house today.
is part of our pre-freeze collections.
And look at this.
We got a bloom on, what is this, our Meyer lemon?
It's our lemon trees. We got little blooms starting. One
All
there.
over. I see
One
over
down
yonder.
yonder.
Yeah, all over. Isn't that awesome?
It'll pop out here for long.
So what do you think of the carrot harvest for the bed that was almost done?
Whoa.
I mean, that's still a lot of carrots, isn't it?
That is a lot of carrots. There's like baby carrots, you know, but I mean, some of them can go to the chickens, the little tiny ones.
Yeah, but look at them.
But that is a lot of carrots still. And you know what? The sad part is right down yonder.
The 16-foot bed that
There's
we
a
ain't
bed
touched.
that ain't been messed with hardly. I mean, I think I got one group out of it, but other than that,
I love it. This is
oh my word,
carrots at Deep South.
I
There-
think
You know, there's a story behind carrots. Do you remember when we first started YouTube? You pulled up a video of a woman pulling carrots out of a bed
yep,
that was totally 100% fake.
fake, and that is how Deep South Homestead came into existence.
And that's why we have carrots as our
Yep,
our slogan, our logo, our
everything is
whatever
about
is about carrots.
Yeah.
It's break time. Danny and I got about a third of this bed here. And I want you to look at the carrots. Isn't that beautiful? Now I've got to get the green off of them, get them in there and get them washed and get them in the fridge. See if they'll store. And then we won't light but just that section down there.